Before you make your Kwakoko Bible, watch this. One small mistake can ruin the texture, and today I will show you exactly what to do instead. Here is what we need for this dish. We have a cocoyam paste after grating the cocoyam leaves nicely sliced, clean palm oil, crayfish, smoked fish. Here we have some seasoning cubes, hot pepper and salt. Plantain leaves. We warm the leaves so that we can wrap the paste easily. We start the cooking process by preparing our cocoyam. We peel the cocoyam carefully and wash them thoroughly. Then we grate the cocoyam into a smooth paste. This is the base of our Kwakoko. By the way, we are almost at the best part of this recipe, so keep watching because I will also share a simple tip that makes your Kwakoko very flavorful. To all my amazing subscribers, thank you for your support. And if you are new here, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my easy, delicious recipes and cooking tips. Now that the cocoyam paste is ready, I will be warming the palm oil slightly so it blends smoothly and evenly into the paste. Then I'll go ahead to mix the cocoyam paste so that it becomes fluffy. I'll add in my salt and continue mixing in the same direction. I'll add in some seasoning cubes and mix continuously so that the seasoning cubes blend evenly in the paste. I'll also go ahead and add in my pepper, my crayfish, then give it a good mix until everything blends well. Now it's time to add my smoked fish, and at this point the palm oil is already warm, so I turn it into the bowl and mix it carefully, making sure, because my bowl was small, I discovered that my bowl was small, so I turn it gradually, making sure the oil blended well in the cocoyam paste. Look at that, the color is so amazing. Then I'll come in now with the cocoyam leaves. The leaves were so soft and tender. Then I'll mix everything until it combines well. At this stage, you'll want the mixture to look smooth and evenly colored. This is where all the delicious flavors comes together. Now, let's wrap the cocoyam paste. Scoop a portion of the mixture into the leaf and wrap tightly to keep everything secure while steaming. Repeat the process until all the cocoyam paste is wrapped. Guys, Kwakoko is also one of those meals which take too much time to get ready. Because of that, I had to prepare this one in my firewood kitchen. My pot was already steaming with some plantain stalks in it to prevent my Kwakoko from getting burned. I arranged the wrapped Kwakoko carefully in the pot. Then I placed a leaf on it so that I can easily add water in the pot. Then I'll allow it to cook for about 1 hour 30 minutes. As the Kwakoko cooks, the aroma builds in. The spices, palm oil, and cocoyam blends together beautifully to create that authentic traditional taste. After steaming for about 1 hour 30 minutes, remove the wraps carefully and serve. Look at that soft and perfectly cooked Kwakoko, ready to be enjoyed. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another delicious recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.